Hey guys, here today with my 2002 Toyota Tacoma. I just wanted to show you guys what I'm doing here. Today I'm swapping out my boot or elbow to the AIRAID system. Okay, I'm going to show you guys what's going on here. So I took out the old boot or elbow, whichever you prefer to call it. This is kind of what it looks like. This is a completely stock one, and I'm going to be replacing it with this aftermarket elbow. Just a couple things. Everything comes disassembled, so all I did was put on these rubber boots or connectors. The gold bolts or nuts, they go on the bigger side, and this is the intake side, which these are going to be the smaller pieces. Then for my specific model, I don't have the air actuated differential in the front, so I'm going to tap this one off with the plug. This one goes into the stock, which this one went back, the vacuum hose went into this box, but in this case it's just going to go down here, and here they have a small one, factory one, that's why they give you a replacement hose. That way everything fits. On the other side you get this little conversion piece, which comes with these two little weird looking zip ties. They just squeeze together and they hold the hose in place, and then it's got this adapter that goes into the bigger fitting, which originally goes into this box over here, and then it connects to the elbow. And so this is just going to connect right up to the stock situation here. Let's see what we got. So I'm not going to install it, but you can kind of see everything just lines up perfectly, and you know, there's the vacuum hose. I'm probably going to trim this because it's a little bit longer than we'll see how it fits. So that's about it, and I'll maybe make a little short video once it's installed, see what it's running like, and that's about it. Let me know if you guys have any questions, or if I missed something. I didn't really read the details or the instructions how to install this. It's all kind of basic, and you take it apart and you put it all back together the way you did, or the way it was originally. But let me know if I missed something, and hopefully that should cover most of it. Thanks for watching.